Sit. Good boy. Oh, and paw. Oh, ow. Hello. Look like I'm about to get in a fight. Oh, yeah, yoda. So this week I am pretty much in the smack dab middle of a big sewing project. A big sewing project slash collaboration, which you will see next week. And my house is riddled with sewing patterns just strewn about like leftover streamers from an 11-year-old birthday party. So you know what? Today we're just gonna take it easy. We're gonna play with hair. I thought it would be fun for me to try to follow someone else's tutorial. There's pretty much no graceful way to follow along with someone's tutorial, so I thought it would be fun to kind of document the process. This past week, Pinup Palmer, who, if you have not seen her, she is literally a hair goddess, and I will now demonstrate my point. She put up a hair tutorial on her YouTube channel. I just aspire to have beautiful, floofy hair like her. We're gonna give it a try. So she uses a curling iron. I have pretty much done all vintage hair curling methods under the sun, except for doing a full set with a curling iron. I genuinely feel like this is that Into the Spider-Verse meme where I'm Miles and she is Spider-Man. And the reason I want to play with this hair is because for PAX East this year, I want to do a femme version of Nick Valentine from Fallout 4. So for this, hold on, I can't do two things at once. For that outfit, I do really want that super dramatic, kind of cartoony, poofy 1940s hair. That is the main reason I'm trying this out. It is honestly kind of out of my comfort zone, so we can experience it together. Let's start.
That's my dog Rosie, passed out there in the back. Say hi, Rosie. She says hi.
This girl gets me. I see you're Rosie and I raise you, Mr. Frodo.
Today what we are doing is a nice Rita Hayworth wave. So if you want to learn how I achieve this look, stay tuned. Here are the list of items that you are going to need to achieve this look. You will need a 1-inch curling iron, just like this, or any kind for that matter. A big paddle brush with long bristles, a blow dryer, some duckbill pins, and a lot of bobby pins, and of course, hairspray.
I should probably plug in my curling iron. Oh, that was stupid. Well, I guess we can part my hair while we wait for my curling iron to... Oh no, this is starting off disastrous.
Here's its hair in its natural state. Yes, I know I look like the beginning of a Garnier Fructis commercial, but hey, that's okay. So,
Relatable.
Hair into a couple different sections. The first one you're gonna want to get a nice part. I like going from my right to left.
Teach me, queen.
So here is one of the parts that we're going to start with, or at least just to get out of our way. So what you're going to want to do is find your ear. Find your ear. There she is.
There she is. She has so much more hair than I do. There she is.
I'm going to just kind of clip it back here to get it out of my face with the duckbill. Out of my face.
Out of my face. Does this count as content? Just literally me echoing everything she says.
Go all the way down, right back to the ear. I work way up to the top. So how I do that is I go by my ear again, and I take it all the way back across.
I gotta watch that one more time. Hold on.
So how I do that is I go by my ear again.
Put me on the couch.
A 1/2 inch of hair. Don't go too thick. Okay, so that should be about where your happiest place is. Depending on like how thick your hair is, how thin your hair is. Now take a curling iron, open the barrel.
Okay.
Place the hair in between the barrel. Go all the way as high as you can, and you're gonna twist downwards, okay? So roll it down. And slowly but surely.
Oh god, I'm What? I think I did it. Queen, speak to me. I don't really know how long to keep this up for. My mom once told me that it's until the hair starts smoking. I don't quite know if that's true. Dear God, it's me. Please don't let this become that video of that girl with the curling iron and she singes off an entire section of her hair. I don't want the views that bad. What do I do now?
I kind of like to scrunch it a little bit. When you curl your hair, it should shrink at least about half its size. So when you let the curl go, if it's not at least half its size, you didn't do it right. You're gonna take it, take 2 fingers, you're gonna roll her up.
Okay. This I can do. One down.
Stick her right in, and it should look something like that. A perfect little donut. You can see right through it. I can see right through you! This is so hard to do on camera. I'm like, how do people do this? This is what you guys wanted.
She's a queen. She's a queen. Ooh, that's steamy. Don't like that. The worst part's just waiting. I'm discovering a lot about myself. Apparently I need instant gratification because this is rough. Creates a lot of free time. Should be doing like paperwork, taxes.
Scrunch it. Ooh, let it drop. Yes.
I forgot to scrunch it. Ow! Ah, little protective gear for my ears. Scrunch it. Ooh.
What we're gonna do next is head on to the second layer. So I'm gonna divide it in half again. So I'm gonna go a little bit higher, take it a little bit higher.
I am very curious to see if mine comes out anything like hers. I have a feeling it won't. Positive vibes, right? God damn it. Come here, you piece of shit. I am gonna be buff after this. She must have the patience of Mother Teresa. I mean, I guess it's not so bad if you're listening to a podcast or like a Ken Burns documentary. I'm just gonna keep on trucking, and I'll see you when I'm 65 years old.
Get it up out of the way. And let's start on these layers, and you should at least have 2 sections here. So let's split this in.
She has 2 sections, but mine's just 1, so.
13 hours later, we have finally finished the back, the sides of the pin curls. But we're still not done yet. We still got a little ways to go, and that this piece in half, okay? So we're gonna take the front bangs, we're gonna divide it in half and cut it all the way across here. Yes, I'm actually going to curl them back. So I'm actually gonna do a barrel roll. So take all the way at the end and pin it that way.
Sure. Oh boy, this better be the best hair I've ever damn had. Now that I look and sound like I'm 75 years old, I guess we wait. I'll see you in a little bit, I guess. Okay, here we go. Oh, this is gonna take a while. Ow! Ow! Cue montage of just me complaining and saying ow. 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 Oh! Ah! Get out!
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
That's really staticky. Can you hear the pops of static electricity? Can you hear that? Oh, it's sticking to my face. Oh no. Call me Nikola Tesla.
We're going to tease the crap out of this, and don't be afraid of teasing. So honestly, how I like to tease is I take like little sections like this and I just hit in the back. Don't be afraid, you're not going to ruin the curl. If you did it right, it's going to be pretty much set in. I also like to under tease like this and take little chunks and start kind of smoothing it out really gently. now it's to go back in with your paddle brush and start kind of smoothing it out really gently. Don't overdo it. Don't brush really hard. So you're going to start sculpting. Basically what I am doing, I am trying to find the S-waves in my hair. And when you find the perfect S-wave, when you start brushing it, take your duckbill pins, put it in the places in certain spots of the S-wave to hold it.
Okay. S-wave. I've never been good at this part of vintage hair. Is that why it looks so floofy? Hey Rachel, I love your hair. Thank you. It's 85% electricity. So that's that. I feel like this side came out a lot better. Maybe because there's more hair. And then this side is just kind of sad. And the more I brush it, the worse it gets. To be fair, historically, my hair does not do well when it's curled with heat. So even in high school, if I were to ever curl my hair, it would just... It's definitely very elegant. Ooh. That took so long. I started at 11:30. It is now 1:35. So it took 2 hours to do this. I can assure you, the more you do this, the more comfortable you get and the quicker it will take you. This is definitely beautiful, and I think if I were going to a red carpet, I would do this, because you know how many of those I go to. And I think hers came out beautiful, and she definitely has it down, and she was a wonderful instructor, but I think my hair just is not having it. I don't think this is what I'll end up doing for my costume or ever again. I hope you guys had fun struggling with me. Obviously, go check out Pinup Palmer's channel and her video, because she does it a lot better than I do, obviously. That was it. I love you guys, whether you're new or old to this channel. If you're new here and you feel like sticking around, feel free to subscribe. I upload every Friday, and we have fun here. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! So this week, so the plan, that sounded like a goat. Times is hard, times is hard. I can hear a bird chirping. Boy, it's only February. I think you might be confused, but I am not gonna complain because, oh, that just made me so happy. But yeah, if you're... Twist it. Get it out of the way. I feel like a lot of this video is just gonna be me whispering to myself.